Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to click on the bell notification so that you always get notified each time I upload a new video. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comment for me and share, okay? And to my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. To my returning subscribers, thank you. I really appreciate your love. So guys, today we are making donuts. I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this delicious donut. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So yeah, I've got my mixing bowl and now I'm going to be adding in my flour. I'm going to be leaving the ingredients and the measurements in the description box. So please do well to check it out, okay? I'll be adding in butter now. Then I'll be adding in my sugar. You can do less or more sugar. Here I use 5 teaspoons of sugar because I'm going for a sweet donut, okay? So please do you can do less or you can do more of the sugar. And then I'm going to be adding in my egg. I'm using one medium egg for this. Then I'll be adding in my yeast. And then I'll be adding in my water now. You can use milk. I used one water. You can use one milk if that's what you want, okay? So I'm using water for this. And then I'm going to be mixing this now. You're going to mix this until it forms a dough. I added in my water little by little, okay? But I used a total of 1 cup of water to 2.5 cups of flour. So I'm just going to mix this. I'm going to mix it now until it forms a dough, okay? So now just transfer the dough on my working surface. I'm going to be kneading this for extra 15 to 25 minutes. You are going to knead it until it becomes soft and fluffy. So guys, now that I'm done kneading, I'm going to be putting it back in my bowl. I've already greased the bowl with some oil, okay? And then I'll still be rubbing oil on the dough or my donut dough. I'm rubbing this oil so that the dough is not going to dry out. I'm going to leave this to sit for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, it's going to double in size after 45 minutes to 1 hour. It's going to double in size. And here is my donut batter that's double in size. I will just go in with my hands to release the air, and then I'm going to cut it into the quantity of donuts I am making, or into the amount of donut that I am making. Okay, and then I'm going to be folding it in. You're going to see as we go. So guys, I'll just take one of the donuts dough now, and then I'm going to fold it in until it forms like a ball. Okay, I'm just going to fold it in until there's no more crack on it. Okay, and then I will seal up the edges. And when I'm done sealing off the edges, I'm going to roll it on my working surface until it has formed a ball. Okay, and then I'm going to repeat the same thing with the rest of the dough. And here we are, our donut dough is ready. I will cover this now and allow it to rest for another 15 minutes. Okay, and be back. So 15 minutes later, this is what you have. Our dough has also doubled inside. I'll just go in with my hand now. I'll just press it down, and then I'll heat up some oil. I will start frying our donuts. And here my oil is already hot enough to accept my dough. I'm just going to be adding it inside the oil now for frying. So guys, you are going to be frying this on both sides until it turns golden brown. Make sure that you are frying on medium to low heat so that you will not end up with uncooked donuts. Okay. Mhm. And guys, our donut is ready. If you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. If you have not liked this video up to now, please help me to give this video a thumbs up and leave your comment for me in the comment section. Okay, look how yummy and beautiful our donut is looking like. Look at the inside, look how beautiful the inside is looking like. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this out. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to do all that good stuff to this channel. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.